Okay, so you can imagine how long this takes to hand sweep. And I'm gonna show you how fast I can do it with this guy right here, because it has absolutely changed. We have tons of cat hair and dog hair everywhere. And you can see it gets through all these little crevices and everything like that. I can go over here, get this whole place over here, underneath there. It's nice and thin. It's strong enough to push this chair out of the way. Going this way too. Let's even go under this little crack right here. Actually, I scraped my hair off of it right there. Let me get this all the way over here. I'm gonna come back this way. We're gonna end right here and show you. Look at all that. I did that in about 2 seconds. Hand sweeping this with a regular broom, so much worse. Yeah, it works. I like it. Telescopic handle, pretty good.